Hello everyone and welcome to a slightly different video from what we normally do. Never done one of these, never even really watched one of these, so I have no idea what the normal format of this is, but we're going to give it a go. We've got a new box with some car parts, so let's find out what's in it.
I'd like to give a big thanks to Heritage Parts Centre for sponsoring us as a channel. If you're like me and you need parts for your Volkswagens or your Porsche, then check them out because they have everything you will need. If it's an air-cooled Volkswagen, if it's a water-cooled Volkswagen, whether it's a fancy Porsche, they'll have it. So be sure to check them out, and if you could, click the link in our description to get to their site. It'll really help us out. So thanks very much and enjoy the video.
So, we are delighted to say that we have Heritage on board with us with the Volkswagen-y stuff that we're going to be doing. So we've got our first package from them, and I know how exciting it is to get car parts in the post. I'm excited at the minute, so you know. So hopefully watching this, maybe you'll get excited about car parts. But anyway, yeah, it's a bit weird, isn't it? But anyway, whatever's in this box is going to be used in future videos, so it is relevant. It's not just blatant promo. So, first things first, model knife. Let's open it all up. Now, I ordered this stuff the other day and I have been counting down the minutes to the estimated delivery time. I am so excited. Nice. Oh, a big Heritage receipt. That's always nice. Lots of stuff. Okay, so what do we got here? This is what Heritage call a decoke set, and what this is basically is a full gasket set for the engine that we're building in the How to Build Beginner's Guide to Building Engines series. So this is a rocker cover gasket, all little seals and gaskets basically, exhaust gaskets, everything really. So that's going to go into our brand new engine, so that's cool. So this, what is this? Ah, yes, this is an alternator belt. Now this is for the 1.9 straight diesel engine that's in the Maroon Golf Veronica. So this will be going into a service video, which we've been waiting on these parts to arrive before we can do, so exciting. Now attached to it, lovingly, is I ordered a single screw. Yes, because you can get even single screws from Heritage. This is for fitting the door handle. I'll get to that in a minute. Myla oil filter. Yes. This, again for the same vehicle. This is an oil filter. Big hefty unit. This is an oil filter, again for the 1.9 straight diesel engine. Haven't ordered any service parts for the engine building video yet because, well, we're a while away from worrying about service parts yet. So again, this is going to go on to the Maroon Golf. Now, this is where it all started. The engine mount broke on the Maroon Golf, and then the engine shot forward, ruptured the oil filter, which meant the oil that was circulating around the engine just flew straight out of the filter housing and onto the motorway and killed my engine. So this is the reason I have had to buy all of this. Now, this one. This is, if I can get it open. Very, very cheap. I think this was like £10, I think. This is a brand new door handle, right rear door handle for, again, a Mark II Golf. For my blue Golf, Debbie, for her MOT, her door wouldn't open anymore and the handle was actually broken. So to get it sorted for the test, we quickly took one off the Maroon Golf, but that means we only have one door handle between two cars, so I ordered a brand new door handle. Now the cool thing about these is, so with different trim levels you got different door handle inserts, which is why this is blank. And for still the cheap price that it is, you can get, it comes with 2 inserts. You can get either a plain plastic one, which is cool if you want to paint it to get a different look, or you just want to leave it bare plastic to look a bit more lower spec. And it comes with the chrome trim, which is what my Maroon Golf has, as does nearly every Mark II Golf I've ever seen. I don't think I've ever actually seen one with the black plastic, but they use the same door handle on lots of different models, so something's bound to happen. So that's very cool. I'll put that back into its protective sleeve so I don't lose anything. Now, what is this? I don't even know what this is. Ah! Yes, I know what this is now. This is my locking set. Again, more door handles, I know. So, let me get this open. So, Veronica, the Maroon Golf, I'm just going to say Veronica and Maroon because over time you'll all learn that the names of each respective car. Yes, they all have names. If you've ever seen Gone 60 Seconds, you'll know why they all have names. But yes, Veronica, she has had a very storied past, it seems, or an eventful one. Either way, when I got her, she had 2 keys, and one of them did the starter, one of them did the driver's door, and none of them did the passenger door or the boot. They were 2 different keys. So, needless to say, I've never actually had the car very secure. So, for only 20 quid, which it was so cheap I thought I'm gonna have to do this. This is a brand new locking set. Now what this is, very cool. I say very cool, I'm easily amused. This is a brand new boot latch. Well, lock, latch, whatever you want to call it. 2 driver's door handles, both with locks. No, not 2 driver's door handles, you idiot. 2 front door handles, driver's side and passenger side, with the respective seals, which is awesome. These come with the black plastic and the chrome plastic, same as the other handle, which is a nice touch. Comes with a brand new ignition barrel, which is where you put your key in and turn. And most importantly, a new set of keys. Oh, it actually comes with 3 keys. It said on the site that it only came with 2, so that is awesome. We've got an extra key out of it. Yeah, finally I'm going to have 1 key that does everything, because I am so sick nighttime trying to work out which key is which to open the door and which key starts it. It is so annoying, and I've put up with it for 5 years now. Enough is enough. For 20 quid, I'm done with it. So I'm going to do a video on how to fit these, because I've never done it before, so I'm going to learn. I'd like to point out that all of these items are paid for. Now, whilst Heritage is helping out the channel and giving us the name and stuff, I'm still paying for the parts. So any reviews and me fitting them will be all my own opinions and all, so I will be as honest as I can. I have paid for all of these out of my own pocket, so, but a big thanks to Heritage for helping us out. So, what do we got here? This is the timing belt kit for the engine, the 1.9 straight diesel engine that's in the Maroon Golf, which is timing belt and timing belt tensioner. Now the reason that I haven't finished, oh, and a new nut for it, nice. The reason that I haven't finished, or haven't done a service, or haven't adjusted the timing on that pump for that video was because to do that, if you're going to be putting a new timing belt on, you might as well do the belt and then time the pump. So I was waiting for this to arrive, so there will be a video on doing that, getting her serviced and getting her running properly, and I'm going to have my car back. She hasn't been on the road since August, so needless to say, she is in desperate need of a good drive. Alright, now what's this? I actually can't remember what this is, because I was under the impression that I'm pretty sure that this is everything. But we'll throw this down and have a look. Oh, now what's this? What is this? Ah, yes. I forgot about this. this nice shiny piece of metal. This is a new sump. Now this is also for the 1.9, or no, not for the 1.9, this is for the 1.6 engine that we are building for our engine building series. The sump that was on it before, so Veronica was the first car that I've had ever that's been lowered. And the first few times I drove her, I forgot that she had been lowered and thankfully didn't actually do anything, although I may as well have, considering what's happened to it in the end. But thankfully I didn't properly damage the sump, but I had knocked it quite a few times, and well, that's no good. So for our nice shiny rebuilt engine, I wanted a nice shiny sump. Our engine didn't come with a sump, so I would have to reuse my old one, and I wasn't going to bother. For all the price this was, I can't remember how much exactly, but it was cheap enough for me to warrant ordering it. I put the price on screen, but it was cheap enough for me to warrant ordering it, so I thought, well, why not? And it comes with a new sump, bung and washer, which is awesome. I didn't know what would come with that. I thought it would just be a bare sump. That's a nice shiny piece of metal. So, hope you've enjoyed this random unboxing video. Never done one before, but I was really excited about the stuff I got, so I just wanted to show you guys it. A big thanks to Heritage for getting this all shipped out to me so quickly, and for helping us out with the channel. And please feel free to give us a subscribe, because it really helps us out, and you'll get to see me use all of these parts on our builds. For any parts that you need for your Volkswagen or Porsche build, check out the link in the description, and it'll really help us out because they can see that you clicked it from us, and it'll really help us out. So even if you're not buying anything, click the link in the description to help us out. That would be really awesome. I've been Tom Patterson. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. Check out Connor on Instagram at Hughes Corporation, and check out our web store 427motorsports.co.uk/store. And thanks for watching. Good luck.